Welcome back to my channel, MISS Data Analyst. Today we learn about a new topic about creating pivot table from multiple data source. We'll connect multiple sheets to a single pivot table, create a summary out of it. We have three sheets, north, south, and central. We'll use Control T to create table. You can also go from Home tab, then go to Data tab and get data. Click on get data, click on launch query editor. Here we will be open new window, and from there connect to your Excel sheet wherever we have the data set. Click on select multiple items, click on OK. It will process query. It will load all the tables from the Excel sheet. Then go to append query as new. As soon as you click on 3 and more, you will be able to see all your sheets. Double click on each sheet to add to your append table. As soon as you click on OK, you will be able to see a new table called as append 1, which will have all this. Then go to home tab, click close and load to. It will give you a pop-up asking for a pivot table report. Click on new worksheet and click on OK. Here you will be able to see all the header options into a single sheet, and here the summary says. Now we'll go to the next option, that is VSTACK, that is virtual stack. Okay, is equal to formula VSTACK. Select the first sheet along with the headers right from row 1 to end of the table, comma. Go to the next sheet, select the data from the second row. We don't want the headers, hence we are selecting from second row. Okay, comma, third sheet again from the second row until the end of the data set. Okay, here you will be able to see all the data is being merged into a single data source. See north and central. Okay, we'll create a summary to check if we have. If you can also check that it is saying all for table 1 and 2 and 3 is only the data set. Okay, now we'll create a summary. Click on existing worksheet. Okay, zone and price. So here if you are able to see, the table is matching with the previous Power Query table. Thank you guys. That's all. Follow my channel to more such videos. We can also check by changing any data set, it would update on a real-time basis. So in the central sheet, I am changing the values. Once we refresh the pivot table, so here you are able to see that values are changing on a real-time basis. We'll also check for VSTACK option. Yeah, so both are working fine. Absolutely. Thank you guys. Please do follow my channel.